How to open YouTube Studio desktop website on mobile. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser and then all you have to do is search for YouTube Creator Studio. Now go to this website or web app studio.youtube.com and then simply tap on continue to studio instead of get the app. Tapping on get the app will lead to Play Store and will make you to download the application. If you want to use the desktop version, all you have to do is use use in desktop. Now simply tap on this three dot and then enable desktop site. Now this is how you will be able to open YouTube Studio desktop website on mobile. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.